Welcome to this video about the innovation and inventions of smart home gadgets in recent years. Technology has rapidly advanced, and with it, so has the way we live our lives. Smart home gadgets have become increasingly popular, providing us with convenience, comfort, and security. In this video, we will explore some of the most exciting and innovative inventions in the world of smart home technology, from voice-activated assistants to automated lighting and temperature controls. We will showcase how these gadgets are transforming the way we interact with our homes. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of smart home innovation. The Evo Shaver is a revolutionary device that has been hailed as the world's smallest travel shaver ever. It is a compact and lightweight device that can easily fit into your pocket, making it perfect for on-the-go grooming. The device is designed with a sleek and modern look, which makes it not only functional but stylish as well. One of the standout features of the Evo Shaver is its powerful motor that delivers a close and comfortable shave. The shaver also comes with a durable and long-lasting battery that can provide up to 90 minutes of continuous use on a single charge. Additionally, the shaver is equipped with a flexible and adjustable head that can adapt to the contours of your face for a more precise and efficient shave. Overall, the Evo Shaver is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, compact, and versatile travel shaver. Its small size, powerful motor, and long-lasting battery make it a must-have for any frequent traveler or on-the-go individual who values convenience and efficiency. The Evo Mini Chainsaw Kit is a cordless saw that is designed to make your cutting tasks more effortless and efficient. It has a 6-inch blade made of high-quality carbon steel, which is durable and can cut through wood, metal, and other materials with ease. The saw is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that provides long-lasting performance and is easy to replace when needed. The lightweight and compact design of the saw make it easy to use and transport, making it an ideal tool for outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, and gardening. The kit also includes a charger, a wrench, and a user manual, making it easy to assemble and use. Overall, the Evo Mini Chainsaw Kit is a reliable and versatile tool that can help you with a wide range of cutting tasks. The LeverGear Toolcard Pro is a credit card-sized multi-tool that packs 40 tools into a 1.5mm thin card tool, making it a must-have tool for men. It has a beautiful satin finish in silver or black, and every feature on it is well thought out and precise. The workmanship is beautiful and it slips easily into your wallet. The Toolcard Pro provides a lot of great functions, including measurements on both sides and wrenches in the interior, both in metric and inches. It is very strong and durable, and while staying nice and light, it can be used for day-to-day chores and activities. DISSIM is a brand that offers stylish and innovative lighters with an inverted design. This unique design makes the DISSIM lighter stand out from other lighters on the market, providing users with a cool and modern look. The inverted design also has practical benefits such as increased safety and ease of use. The DISSIM lighter features a large flame adjustment dial for easy control of the flame size, and a fuel window to easily monitor the fuel level. The lighter also has a non-slip grip for comfortable use and a durable construction. The DISSIM lighter is perfect for anyone looking for a sleek and modern lighter that stands out from the crowd. It is also a great gift idea for smokers or outdoor enthusiasts who need a reliable lighter for their adventures. The Achedaway cupping massager is a powerful and innovative device that can be used for cupping therapy on the body. It is red light therapy that can speed up the healing process and 5 modes to choose from. The suction on this device is very strong, which can be adjusted using the control panel. The cups fit on great and hold firm and well. The device is incredibly easy to use and portable, weighing around 100 grams. It is not water-resistant and requires one lithium-ion battery. The Achedaway cupping massager is a useful tool for runners to have in their arsenal to train hard and recover well with guidance from a healthcare professional. TilePro is a Bluetooth tracker that helps you locate your lost or misplaced items. It is a small, square-shaped device that can be attached to anything that you don't want to lose, such as your keys, phone, wallet, or backpack once attached. The TilePro uses Bluetooth technology to communicate with your smartphone or tablet and help you locate your lost item. Some of the key features of TilePro include a range of up to 400 feet, which is twice as far as previous Tile models, and a loud ringer that can be heard from a distance of up to 120 decibels. It also has a replaceable battery that lasts up to 1 year, making it a low-maintenance solution for keeping track of your items overall. TilePro is a reliable and convenient solution for keeping track of your everyday items and ensuring that you never lose them again. The Backbone One mobile controller is a game controller designed specifically for mobile gaming. It connects directly to your iPhone to provide a console-like gaming experience. With tactile buttons, responsive triggers, and clickable joysticks, the design is ergonomic, with a comfortable grip that feels great in your hands. And it even has a built-in battery to extend your gaming sessions. The Backbone One also includes a companion app that makes it easy to find and launch your favorite games, and it supports hundreds of popular titles. Whether you're a casual mobile gamer or a serious enthusiast, the Backbone One is a great way to take your mobile gaming to the next level. Form Smart Swim Goggles is a high-tech swimming gear designed for swimmers of all levels. These goggles are a game changer for swimmers who want to improve their swimming performance and monitor their progress. The Form Smart Swim Goggles feature a heads-up display that provides real-time feedback during swimming sessions with the help of an app. Swimmers can track their distance, pace, stroke rate, and other essential metrics. The goggles have a sleek and comfortable design that ensures a snug and secure fit. The anti-fog lenses provide crystal clear vision, and the battery life lasts for up to 16 hours. In summary, Form Smart Swim Goggles is an innovative and useful gadget that can help swimmers improve their performance and achieve their swimming goals. Maicat is a smart home AI robot cat that is designed to be your new companion pet. It is equipped with advanced AI technology that enables it to interact with you naturally, responding to your voice commands and recognizing your facial expressions. This makes it an ideal pet for people who can't have a real cat or who want a low-maintenance alternative. Maicat is also designed to be a smart home assistant, helping you with a range of tasks such as setting reminders, playing music, and controlling your smart home devices. It is an innovative product that combines the best of pet ownership and smart home technology in one adorable package. Introducing the ACOPower TesFridge, the world's first portable freezer specifically designed to fit into the sub-trunks of Tesla, Model Y, Model 3, and Model X. This 20QT portable fridge freezer will fit snugly in your trunk behind a car seat or in the bed of a truck. You can take a 12 volts compressor freezer to any place you want, and it will keep your food and drinks fresh and cold. The Tesla sub-trunk freezer can cool food and drinks from 50 F10C to minus for F to OC, and has an adjustable temperature range from minus for F to 50 F. With up to 36 liters capacity, it is perfect for long road trips and outdoor adventures. Core One is a new type of over-the-counter OTC hearing aid that is incredibly small and discreet. It is designed to fit comfortably in your ear canal while providing high-quality sound amplification. These hearing aids are perfect for people who don't want to wear bulky or noticeable hearing aids and want to keep their hearing loss private. One of the key features of Core One is its size. It is the world's smallest OTC hearing aid. making it virtually invisible to others. It is also incredibly lightweight, so you won't even notice that it is there. Despite its small size, it packs a powerful punch, with advanced noise reduction technology and sound amplification that can be adjusted to your specific needs. Core 1 is also easy to use, with simple controls that allow you to adjust the volume and switch between different modes. It is also rechargeable, so you won't need to worry about constantly replacing batteries. Overall, Core 1 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a discreet, high-quality hearing aid. The Pitaka iPad magnetic stand is a well-built product with strong magnets that attach it to the matching case. Here are some key points about the stand. The build quality is fantastic, as is to be expected from Pitaka products. The magnets that attach it to the matching case are very strong, ensuring that the stand holds the tablet's position reliably. The rotation and tilt are smooth, making it easy to adjust the tablet to the desired angle. The stand is designed to last a good, long time, thanks to its sturdy construction. Overall, the Pitaka iPad magnetic stand is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, reliable stand for their iPad. Niostem is a hair loss treatment that claims to reverse hair loss in just 6 months. Here are some key details about the product. Hair density increased by 19.1% on average after 6 months, according to statistical significance compared to baseline. Niostem needs to be used for only 30 minutes a day, making it a convenient option for those with busy schedules. The product was designed and tested to offer the best usability experience and seamless integration into your life. Niostem is a promising solution for those who are experiencing hair loss and want to regrow their hair in a safe and effective way. The product is set to be released on May 5th, 2023. The VIVE Flow headset is a new virtual reality VR device developed by HTC. It is designed to be more accessible and affordable than previous VR headsets, with a focus on comfort and ease of use. The Flow is a lightweight and compact device that is easy to wear and adjust, and it features a high-resolution display and a wide field of view. It also includes built-in speakers and a microphone for a more immersive experience. The Flow is aimed at a broader audience than hardcore gamers, with features like a flip-up display and simplified controls. It is expected to be a popular choice for VR enthusiasts and newcomers alike. The Garmin Quatix 6X Solar Titanium Smartwatch is a premium GPS watch that is designed for adventure enthusiasts, boaters, sailors, and fishermen. It features a large 1.4-inch sunlight treatable display that is scratch-resistant and has a titanium bezel and band for durability. The watch is designed to work in extreme conditions and has a water resistance rating of up to 100 meters. One of the most impressive features of this watch is its solar charging capability, which extends the battery life up to 24 days in smartwatch mode and up to 66 days in battery saver mode. The watch is equipped with a wide range of sensors, including GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and QZSS, which allow for accurate tracking of navigation and outdoor activities. The Quatix 6X Solar Titanium Smartwatch also comes with advanced sailing features such as TAC, Assist, Autopilot Control, and boat data streaming. It also includes fitness tracking features like heart rate monitoring, pulse oximeter, and sleep tracking. Overall, the Garmin Quatix 6X Solar Titanium Smartwatch is a premium device that offers a wide range of features that are useful for outdoor enthusiasts and fitness enthusiasts alike. The DJI Mavic 3 drone is an advanced aerial photography and videography tool. With its cutting-edge features, it offers unparalleled image and video quality. Equipped with a high-resolution Hasselblad camera, it captures stunning 20-megapixel photos and 4K videos. The Mavic 3's 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth and stable footage, Even in challenging conditions, it boasts an impressive flight time of up to 45 minutes, allowing for extended aerial exploration. Additionally, the drone's intelligent flight modes, obstacle avoidance system, and precise positioning technology make it user-friendly and safe to operate. The DJI Mavic 3 is a game-changer in the world of drones, offering professional-grade capabilities to photographers and videographers alike. The Bose Sleepbuds are innovative wireless earbuds designed specifically for a better night's sleep. These tiny earbuds are comfortable to wear and come with a range of soothing sounds that help mask external noises and promote relaxation with an improved battery life. They can last up to 10 hours on a single charge. The Sleepbuds also feature a lightweight and secure fit, ensuring they stay in place throughout the night. They connect seamlessly to a smartphone app, allowing users to customize their sleep experience and set alarms. The Bose Sleepbuds are a game changer for those struggling with sleep issues, offering a peaceful and uninterrupted night's rest. The Amazon Echo Show 8 is a versatile smart display that brings the power of Alexa to your fingertips. With its 8-inch HD screen and stereo sound, it offers an immersive visual and audio experience. Whether you want to stream music, watch videos, or make video calls, the Echo Show 8 has you covered. Its built-in camera and microphone allow for seamless video chatting with friends and family. You can also control your smart home devices, check the weather, and set reminders with just your voice. The Echo Show 8 is a perfect addition to any room, providing entertainment, convenience, and connectivity in one sleek device. The Apple HomePod Mini is a compact smart speaker that packs a punch with its small size. It can easily fit into any room, delivering impressive sound quality, powered by Siri. Apple's virtual assistant, it can answer questions, play music, control smart home devices, and more, all with just your voice. The HomePod Mini also features an intercom system that allows you to communicate with other Apple devices in your home with its seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. You can effortlessly stream music from Apple Music and enjoy a personalized listening experience. The Apple HomePod Mini is a smart and stylish addition to any home. The SodaStream Terra is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, offering a convenient and eco-friendly way to enjoy sparkling water at home. With its sleek and compact design, it takes up minimal counter space. The Terra uses reusable carbonating bottles, reducing plastic waste and helping to protect the environment. It offers customizable carbonation levels, allowing you to create your perfect fizzy drink. The machine is easy to use with a simple push-button operation. With no batteries or electricity required, it is also energy efficient. The SodaStream Terra is a cost-effective and sustainable alternative to buying bottled sparkling water, making it a great choice for those who love bubbles.